This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Judy Cooler.
Wow! This is a showstopper.
Amazing updates that makes this feel like the one the moment you walk in. Beautiful laminate wood flooring in entry, dining room and kitchen, tile floor in laundry room and plush upgraded carpet in great room, loft, and bedrooms.stunning updated kitchen west/white cabinets, center island, recessed lighting, backsplash, stainless steel appliances and gorgeous new countertops. Sit in your breakfast room that overlooks the beautiful pond lot or retreat out to your covered patio to enjoy some fresh air and enjoy the views. Fabulous first floor master bedroom suite with a beautifully updated master bathroom. Generous sized secondary bedrooms and an amazing loft upstairs make this the house you will want to call home.
Walk to pool.
For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Cooler at 317-507-2373.